Hello and welcome back to Hustle and Motivate with Ghetto Exodus. And if it's your first time watching this video, then please check out the playlist, the Hustle and Motivate playlist, to show you what we've been up to, how we get to this point. And you won't understand what's going on, what this video is about. So please check out the playlist. And if it's your first time watching, tuning in, then please click on the subscribe button. Please give this video a like and give us a positive comment, any comment, especially if you're going to comment away. So in this video, I'm going to do a review of my last video. In that video, I did a first time studio test. So this is a studio test review. And I learned a lot in that studio test. Like for one, I learned that I should keep the condenser, the microphone condenser, I should keep it charged. I should at least charge it the day before. I did charge it, but I left it laying there for about a week. And when I tried to use it, maybe I charged the wrong condenser because I bought two mic sets. So I should keep it charged. I learned that I should tune the radios, learn how to tune it, what's the best way to tune it, the knobs where it should be, so that I can get a better sound. Still get the echo from the sound, but it's much better than what I got from the other app, from the other video. In that video, I had to I downloaded probably about 9 apps, like to get the volume higher. And finally got 2 apps that actually worked. So I used this one app like 4 times, and I multiplied the volume by 400%, another 400%, and another 400%, and I got to that volume there. And I also used another app to remove background noise. So what I learned in that app, or what I learned from that first video, was also that to keep the door closed and perhaps switch on the lights. The light's not on at the moment, and the light is still fine, but I should keep the lights on. I learned that I should get an extra mic set, one of those clip-on mic sets, because I'm using 3 phones, the 3 cameras of the 3 different phones, so I can put in the one mic set, the clip-on mic set on one of the phones, and this mic set, other one will be inserted when I use when I interview people, but I should use that extra mic set for insurance. Also learned that I should level the camera out, because on the 3 cameras you could see, if you watch the first the studio test, that 2 of the cameras were level, were horizontal, were straight. And the camera that were on me, that was pointed to that sofa, couch, whatever you call it, that thing were a little crooked. So I should make sure that all the cameras are level, all 3 cameras are level. And yeah, keep the door shut so that there won't be extra light shining on one of the angles, so that all the angles will have the same, how can I say, same color, same visuals. That's why I've got 3 of the same phones, exactly the same phones, so that they will have the same camera or picture quality. So I should keep the door shut, try to get people to be quiet, tell my people inside that they should be quiet, or maybe not be noisy around here. Yeah, and you can probably hear an echo. The echo is mostly, I'm not sure if it's mostly from there, but the echo is also coming from the walls, because the walls are empty, there's nothing really on the walls. So I need something or a few things to absorb the sound. I need to, yes, I've got a rug, so I'm going to put the rug in the middle on the floor to absorb some of the sound, and put up a few more things on the walls. and yeah, to absorb the echo and to get a better sound. Yeah, and get my people to stop making the noise. Tell them when I'm going to record. But I also want that authentic sound, but make it sound a little more professional, then I'm gonna have to talk to them and schedule time and make sure that everything is set up perfectly. Yeah, so the angles. Yeah, I'm gonna have to make sure of the angle, like I said, or you might have noticed, angle of that image or crooked. So I'm gonna have to make sure that all of the camera's angles, that angle that would be pointing on the guest, this angle that would be pointing at both of us, that angle that would be pointing at me, be the same level. Yeah, so that's about it. So if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel, and please give this video a share. Please do give me all the tips and advice, and constructive criticism is welcome. And better yet, please give this video a comment aware. Aware, AWEH, aware, or aware, AWEHHH, aware. And that's about it. And I thank you for your support, for watching so far. And once again, have a lekker day. And I said once again. And once again, thank you for your support and give this video a like. So it's been a busy day and I'm tired. But I had to at least make this video to show people that I'm still busy, still working on it. And advice that I would like to have: what type of business should I start under this Hustle and Motivate brand, under this Hustle and Motivate project? Remember, Hustle and Motivate is me showing how I hustle to motivate our youth, especially our ghetto youth, to dream bigger. That's why I did all of this. That's why I showed how I built this place, where you brick by brick. It's how I show how I'm moving step by step until I'm turned Ghetto Exodus into a real company. That's why I showed me registering Ghetto Exodus. That's why I showed me creating a logo for free. That's why I'm doing all of this, to hustle, to motivate, to show my people really that they should think Ghetto Exodus. Exodus means to escape. So Ghetto Exodus means to escape. And my pages for social media platforms are Ghetto Exodus Media. That means to escape the ghetto through entertainment. That's Ghetto Exodus Media. So that's enough talking. I don't know how to end the show. And I thank you.